A lot of people are aware, which I'm sure you would be aware, कि कौरवों के पास 11 अश्कोनी सेना होती है और पांडवों के 7 अश्कोनी सेना होती है. But do you know एक अश्कोनी सेना कितने की लोगों की थी? No one speaks the real truth. Everyone speaks the truth that they believe is the truth.
50% of the future generation will recognize themselves as atheists.
We teach management lesson from Mahabharata to 1,000 students every year.
What Arjuna tells us about overcoming insight.
The gap between your expectation and reality causes stress.
Rishi Nanda, the spiritualist, is an international interfaith speaker representing Sanatan Dharam. Co-author of 2 books with his wife Mahatnanda, he has created 4 religious-themed card games and hosts multiple podcasts including Mahabharat Ki Kahani Rishi Ki Zubani on Saregama Karwan 2.0. His media presence spans YouTube series on Saregama Bhakti and Hindustan Times, the television program Break Your Chakravya on Epic Channel, and his stage show Ras Leela. In a decade of spiritual leadership, Nanda has conducted over 3,000 sessions, reaching over 1 lakh participants across 90 plus Indian cities, 10 countries, and 300 plus corporate organizations.